Aluminum locking hubs. These durable manual locking nubs allow your wheels to rotate freely when unlocked from the front axle. Our hubs deliver better 4WD performance when locked, improved fuel economy in 2WD when unlocked. Built to last. A hardened nylon center is used instead of metal to keep you moving in the rare case of a hub failure. Crafted from impact-resistant nodular iron, and feature a corrosion-resistant die-cast aluminum cap. Off-road accessories. Get serious about off-roading with a variety of tow hooks, hitches kits that give yourself a way out in sticky situations. We offer winches, recovery gear, tube doors, mirror kits, more accessories. Rugged Ridge Jeep parts. Count on Rugged Ridge to provide you with proven Jeep parts accessories like bumpers, lift kits, wheels, interior accessories, floor liners, more for varying Jeep models. 5-year warranty. Our Rugged Ridge products are covered by industry-leading 5-year warranty. Rugged Ridge floor liners have limited lifetime warranties, providing customers with repair or replacement subject to certain common exclusions. Manual locking hubs are unanimously recognized as the world's toughest hubs by our thousands of satisfied customers worldwide. Brute strength matters, that is why the bodies of our hubs are crafted from impact-resistant nodular iron, and feature a corrosion-resistant die-cast aluminum cap. Our hubs deliver better 4WD performance when locked and improved fuel economy in 2WD when unlocked, than automatic hubs. Purchasing a set of premium manual hubs is more cost-effective than servicing your worn factory hubs. With the money you save, you'll be able to carry a spare set, not that you'll need them. Sure, you have to get out of the cab to lock the hubs, but unlike automatic hubs, you won't have to wait until you lose traction for your four-wheel drive to engage. Top reviews from the United States. They work. I had replaced both wheel-bearing hub assemblies on my '99 Ranger. These vacuum hubs are definitely not one of Ford's better ideas. My hubs would not engage. I received the new hubs and had them installed in less than a half hour. We got 4 inches of snow 2 nights ago, so I took my Ranger out and tested them. They engage and disengage easily and smoothly. Definitely worth the cost. I don't know how hubs can be sheer, so I only gave them 2 stars.